What's up, guys? What comes to mind when you think about the dreams of a cuber? Well, if you ask me, the things are being called the best cuber in the world, which I'm not, that is Max Park. Being the most subscribed cubing YouTuber, which I am not, that's JPOM. If you want that to happen, make sure to subscribe. Or what comes to mind even more than this? Yes, it's breaking the world record. So, just before I did all the controversy, how I scrambled and everything, let me give you a bit of a flashback. I was just sitting at home on Sunday morning before recording. I was too lazy to record that day, so I was just timing my solves and I somehow got an incredibly lucky uh, scramble and I got the world record. So, if you ask the time, it was 3.29, which I made partially invisible so you could guess it. The 3 and 9 is pretty much almost visible, but 2 is not. So that's why I hate it to see if you will guess it or not. So that's the flashback, and the cube I used was the RSTM 2020, which is my main. I use it on setting number 6, which is one tighter than I showed in my RSTM 2020 tutorial, because I thought that was a little bit too fast after I lube it, so I took setting number 6. So enough on everything. Now let's jump into it. So this is a scramble done from red front, yellow on top, and I did the white cross. So whichever color you want as your bottom or as your cross, you can put it on your bottom. So that is the scramble. B2, F2, L prime, U2, R2, U2, R2, F2, R prime, F2, R, U, F, D prime, L prime, B2, U, R, F, R prime, F, D prime. You might be thinking I'm not showing any emotions, that how good I feel. You don't know how crazy it is still to me. Okay, if enough on talking, this is what I did. You can see this is aligned. This is pretty on the opposite side. It's pretty far. These are very close. So first I align these two. So it's this. Then I put this on its correct position. I just because if I wouldn't have done that, if I did blue, this would happen. Then I would have to move this, then I did and this would happen. And you don't wait, I didn't want that to happen, so I did not do that. And I'll do the scramble again just to show you guys, because I have completely messed up the group. Yeah, it had to be okay, let's again do the scramble. And I did it pretty fast last time, so I'm going to do it a little slow. B2, F2, L prime, U2, R2, U2, R2, F2, R prime, F2, R, U, F, D prime, L prime, B2, B2, R prime, F prime, D prime. So that is the scramble, and what I did was align these two first. Then I did orange, because I know if I will do orange, this red would come here and this would make this block. So I just did that by D2 bag. Then I solved blue, because if I would have solved red and blue, this pair would come out and the other pair would get broken. So I did blue, which saves this pair, and D prime, which puts in this pair, F prime. Then I rotated and this did this recycling the normal way, and this pair was insanely lucky. I just had it on the correct side. If it's not on the correct side, it's a pretty trash pair, but if it's on the correct side, it's not that bad. So then I just did this pair commonly, and then I just looked at this block and this. I immediately did the algorithm, which is without even stopping, if you know how that algorithm is done. And I was holding the cube partially like this to see on my right because I knew I was going to get a corner skip, and these two were right here, and I immediately did a wait, a Z pump or a Z pump, how you want to call it. But yeah, that was the controversy of the solve, and I know it was pretty insane, and it was crazy to someone like me. If I can do it in 3.29, someone like Max Park would be like 3.1, 2 point something, but not that low. And was that solve insane? So that's going to do for this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and like the video. That really helps me out. Thank you. This is going. Wait, no, that's not my ending. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until then, bye bye and peace out. And hit that like button as well. But really, thank you for watching, and I really love you. If you can do better than my if you do better than my time on your solve, you have to drop a like. Wait, no. Sorry. If you do better than my solve in your solve, you don't need to do anything. But if you don't, you have to drop a like and subscribe, because that would be too shameful if you didn't get such a good time with it. Okay, bye bye and peace out.